You're the getaway star. You're the line in the sand. When I go too far, you're the sweet on another slave.
Ganda ni Kat. Epahan.
And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. And when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true. 'Cause we can see it when we look at you. And in this
Ano ba?
crazy life, and through this crazy times, it's you, it's you.
Ganda ni Kat.
You're every laugh, you're every word, you're everything. You're a character, you're a ocean, and you light me up. When you're in my bed, you're mystery. You're from outer space, you're every minute of my every day. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Without my comes away, I'll see you through. And you know
Swerte ng mga bata.
in this crazy life, and through this crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything. La 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 la. So la 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 la. And in this crazy life, and through this crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything. You're every song, and I sing along. La 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 la.
Welcome back to Showtime, guys. Una sa lahat, bumati ko muna sa Madlang People, guys. Oh. Siyempre, magandang hapon, Madlang People!
Good afternoon, Madlang People!
Ano naman, gano'n ba yan? Ano? Taas ng energy ng Madlang
Oo,
People?
grabe. Ang daming Katniel fans all around the world.
Correct.
At dahil dyan, imbitahin niyo naman siya na panoorin yung teleserye niyo.
Mga kapamilya, pinagmamalaki po namin ihandog sa inyo ang pangako sa'yo! At pinaghahandaan at pinaghirapan po namin ito, kaya sana sabay-sabay po natin panoorin. Sa Lunes na po ito, May 25 sa Primetime Vida pagkatapos ng Nathaniel.
At kasama rin po namin dito sina Jody Santa Maria, Ian Veneracion, Angelica Pangaliban at maraming pang iba. Directed by Direk Roy Quintos, Dado Lumibaw, at Olivia M. Lamasan. Wow! May 25 na panako sa'yo. Ayan.
Yes, Manu.
Exciting to, no?
Correct, panonoorin ng lahat yan. 3 araw sila nag-aantay sa inyo.
Every night na naman natin maririnig yung pangako sa'yo. Siyempre, siyak palagi. And I super love your outfit. Naman ganyan ako pinagtawanan ako. Feeling Christine Hermosa lang naman.
Ang sa'yo yung balete na puno
Feeling
eh.
Catherine Bernardo naman ganyan ako. Yes.
Ito, pwede bang sample lang ko kami? Naman kami ba?
Siyempre, manonood pa kayo sa Lunes.
Lights, camera, action!
Ikaw pa lang yung minahal ko ng ganito.
Ipaglalaban kita niya. Pangako sa'yo.
Nakaka-long hair.
Ipaglalaban mo.
Pangako sa'yo.
Ba't ako naging mading?
Thank you so much, Catherine and Diane.
Congratulations and good luck, ha?
And thank you for being so game na ginawa niyo po yung ano, for us. For sure, maraming natuwa. Basta nakakakilig ba na pag ganitong ano, kanapin, ano?
Oo naman,
Pero
syempre.
one more sa Monday.
Malayo, wala ka makikita eh. Yung blur yung mga ako. Eto, tutok lang dahil malalaman na natin ang resulta ng Minimig 2 Grand Finals. Kaya walang bibitaw. This is your show.
Your time!
It's your time! Ayaw bibitaw.